Many patients don't get better not because of wrong treatment but because wala na explain maayo ang ila condition. I attended an event where someone shared his health journey. He had diabetes, went to different doctors, took madamong nga medications, madamo man iya lab test, but saw no improvement. Eventually, he turned to herbal remedies and supplements. Iya blood sugar still is poorly controlled, and ang iyang other eye has poor vision. But because nami iya pamatsyagan, he believed that's what finally worked. The problem? It wasn't the treatment. It was the lack of explanation. Maybe if iya doctor had taken a little more time to educate him, natudluan kung ano gid ang iya nabatsyagan kag ano ang dapat niya ubrahon, things would have been different. As doctors, we prescribe medications, request tests, monitor progress. But if we don't take the time to educate our patients, they may not fully understand their condition or why they need to stick to the treatment. Healing isn't just about prescription. It's about conversations. Naintindihan kita sang aton patients and making sure they understand what's happening in their bodies and what they can do to improve their health. To my fellow doctors, let's give our patients the time they need. A little more time. And to all patients, pamangkot gid. Don't hesitate to ask questions kay doktor niyo. Because real healing starts with understanding.